Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to import iRacing setups. This easy method will help you quickly get new car configurations into your simulator. First, you need to find the setup file you want to use. These files typically have a stow extension and are specific to a car and track combination. Make sure you have the correct file ready before proceeding to the next steps. We will cover the exact location for these files. Now, let's find where iRacing keeps its setup files. On your computer, go to your Documents folder. Inside Documents, you will see a folder named iRacing. Open this folder. Within the iRacing folder, you will find many subfolders, each named after a specific car. For example, if you have a setup for the Mazda MX-5, you will open the Mazda MX-5 folder. This is where your setup files belong. Once you have located the correct car folder, the next step is straightforward. Take your downloaded stow setup file and copy it. Then, navigate back to the specific car folder you just found within your iRacing documents. Paste the setup file directly into this folder. If a file with the same name already exists, you will be prompted to replace it. Only do so if you are sure you want to overwrite your current setup. Finally, it's time to load your new setup in iRacing. Launch the simulator and choose the car and track you plan to drive. Before entering a session, go to the Garage screen. On the Garage screen, you will see an option to load setup. Click this button and a list of available setups will appear. Select the setup file you just imported and it will be applied to your car. You are now ready to hit the track.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.